Peace Divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And today I am making a juice that has a lot of vitamin C, and it is really good for a lot of different things such as heart health and bronchial health, and I will be sure to put it in the description. So the ingredients that I'm going to use today, I'm going to use some parsley, and I'm going to use some ginger, and I'm also going to use some kiwi, and I'm going to use some grapefruit and some oranges. And I am usually using my Nama juicer, but remember to follow your manufacturer's instructions for your juicer. Okay, so I'm going to start putting some of the ingredients into the juicer. And I'm going to take some of the parsley, take some of the kiwi, take some oranges, and I'm going to take some of the grapefruit. Now we are going to juice this up. Okay, I'm going to add more of the ingredients. I'm going to put more parsley in here. And I'm going to put the ginger in. And kiwi, oranges, and the grapefruit. Juice it up. Okay, so we already have about 30 ounces of juice, and so that's really good. We have a little bit more of the kiwi and the oranges, so I'm going to juice that and then we're going to try it. Okay, so we have our lovely parsley, ginger, and our kiwi and grapefruit and orange juice, and so I'm going to pour it now. And remember, this juice is good for a lot of different things, so I will be sure to put it in the description. Okay, so let's try it. Yeah, it's very citrusy because you have the kiwi, you have the grapefruit, and you have the oranges. I used a little piece of ginger. I didn't have much ginger. This is really good. Yes, most definitely. And if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to consider something else besides parsley. Amazing Divines as always. And I want you to continue to be blessed, be well, be true to yourself. Peace, Divines. And be sure to watch my other juicing videos. Peace, Divines.